If you need to export your SurveyMonkey results, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. I'll also show you where the export option is located, what to click next, and one important limitation you should know before you start. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. After that, click on the survey you want to work with. This is important because SurveyMonkey manages results separately for each survey, so you need to open the correct one before you can export anything. Next, look for the Analyze Results section and click on it. This is where SurveyMonkey stores your response data and reporting tools. Inside Analyze Results, you'll see options for viewing charts, summaries, and raw response data. To begin the export process, click on Export. This opens the export options for your survey results. From there, click on New Export. SurveyMonkey will then prepare a new export file based on the data from your survey. At this point, you may notice a message telling you that you need to upgrade your plan to export. That's an important detail. In some cases, exporting results is only available on higher tier SurveyMonkey plans. So if you're seeing that message, it means your current account plan may not support exports. If you do have an eligible plan, you can continue with the export flow and choose the format you want, then download the file once it's ready. Depending on your needs, that file can be used to analyze responses in spreadsheets, share data with your team, or keep a backup of your survey results. So to recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Analyze Results, choose Export, and then select New Export. If you see a plan upgrade message, that means you may need to upgrade before exporting. I hope this walkthrough made the process simple and clear. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.